Okay, this is the one I'm having trouble with this. Yes, I know it's the Xbox. I know you hate it. Hold up, just give it a minute. Oh, hold on. Yes, I know, I agree. It's gonna stop and then something's gonna pop up and block it. And say I need to do something. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Hold on, let me put that. Any minute. Something's gonna pop it and then block it until I need something to agree or whatever it said. I'll let you know for that. See? Like, how is it to know for this? How? Let me know. Just let me know, okay? Thank you.